Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from PayPal to Moonpay. So for you to be able to send money from PayPal to Moonpay, here's how you can easily do it. So make sure you log into your PayPal account on the app or the website, then go to wallet and select link a card or bank, then add your PayPal debit card or link your PayPal balance to a debit card, then open your Moonpay app and log into your account. So once you're logged into your account, tap to buy crypto, then choose the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. For example, you can purchase Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, depends on your choice. Enter the amount you want to spend, then at the payment method, select debit/credit card, then enter your PayPal debit card details and confirm the transaction. So complete payment, then wait a few minutes. Your crypto will appear in your Moonpay wallet or the wallet address you provided, and that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.